Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make and create this design. It's so easy, so simple. You don't have to know a lot of things in Illustrator, just the basic. And as you can see, it's just some simple shapes, and we have tons of ways to do this. But first of all, I want to create and design the strokes and then go for the colors and shadows, highlights, whatever. So let's jump into it. Okay, that's fine, and let's add some details. It's fine. And what else? I do the lights later, and yeah, that's it. Let's go for the colors. Now that I want to go for the colors, oh my gosh, let me group them just for a second, and then I will ungroup them. Okay, that's fine. Now that I have all the strokes that I want, I make a new layer. I choose all these guys, and by holding Alt, I click on this little blue circle and drag it to my new layer. Now I have all the strokes in my new layer. I'm going to lock this and hide it. Now I get back to my first layer, and I'm going to choose each stroke that I have and I want to, make a color for that. For the coloring, I choose each item, for example, this tree, and after choosing that, that's selected, and I'm going to select my eyedropper tool, and for example, I want this color, and boom, I do not have any stroke because this one has no strokes, and I have the color. And for the shadows, I choose this shape again, and I'm going to edit, copy, paste in front, edit, copy, paste in front, and I choose the shape in front. I move that. I want this shape here. I hold the shift key and click on this one and go for the shape builder tool. By holding alt, I delete these other shapes and I have this one now. I choose that, go to colors and choose a color darker and more with more saturate, something like this, and boom. I don't like the color. I'm going to change that a little bit. I don't have it again. I guess that's fine. No, that's fine. And after that, I'm going to have some highlights. For do that, I select the ellipse tool and create a circle. Let me zoom and change the color to something lighter, for example, like this. By holding alt, I copy this shape, make it smaller, another one smaller, maybe copy this again, and yeah, something like that. And then when I click on this eye button, I have the strokes again and all the shapes. It's one of the ways to do that. I know I told you there are tons of ways to do this, but it's the way I do this. I hide the strokes again, get back to this layer, and yeah, lock it and click to hide this layer. I get back to first layer, choose this tree, eyedropper to this color. Oh yeah, you should not do that because let me show you what happened. These all are grouped together. When I choose this color without any strokes, I delete all the strokes. So right click on that, ungroup, and then again choose the main shape, choose your eyedropper tool and go for the shape. I want to send it to the back, or that doesn't matter because when you show and make visible these strokes is all good, but that depends on you. And after that, I select my rounded rectangular tool, and I forgot to make the shadows. Choose this main shape, copy, paste in front, edit, copy, paste in front. Move it slightly, choose the other shape by holding the shift and choose the shape builder tool, hold the alt or option on your Mac, choose this one, go to color, choose something darker, and that's fine. That's the shadow of our tree, and when I make the strokes visible, you can see everything is fine. And now I want to make some highlights. It's not visible. I should change the color. That's fine. Make it smaller. That's fine. And then I go for my bench. I choose this one. They are grouped together. You should right click on that and select the ungroup and then choose each. Yeah, that's why you could do that when they are grouped together. Yeah, and I choose these guys. Eyedropper tool and boom. Now I want to make the highlights and shadows. That's fine. I changed the color of the strokes. They were so light. And I go to color this one, and that's it. That's fine. Now I'm going to change the position of these two together. For example, I choose this one and I choose this one, and before that let me make a ground line. That's fine. And if you want to add some bushes here, you can do that easily. I choose my ellipse tool, make a circle, and change the color. That's fine. And for the wind, if you want to show the wind, choose your pen tool, and that's fine. Make it smaller, choose your pen tool again, and add some lines. And you can choose a color for the background, make a new layer, drag it on all the layers, and choose your rectangular tool, go for any color you want. I don't like that. Maybe some creamish. That's not bad. That's so fine, but that's not bad. Yeah, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys on next one. Bye.